We are the Jamaican Ghetto children. We are scattered in and around shanty towns. We are born into poverty. We heard it follow us from slavery. We tried to have a voice, but little of it is heard. We are seldom adored. We are expected to grow up fast. We hope that one day in future, we will be able to live past 17. I hope that one day our fellow Jamaicans will stop see us as bad seeds, but instead see us as how they see all the other children from better areas, innocent and deserving of respect and protection.